Hey guys, so Valentine's Day is coming up. Valentine's Day now. From the 13th of February, GetResponse is going to be doing an up to 40% offer. 40% off these plans. Okay. Now, can you believe this? So 40% off that. This. Let's get rid of these. Guys, this is a great offer because I joined up when they're on the $15 a month. If you are wanting to join up with GetResponse, they're basically an email marketing software. After a lot of humming and hawing, I joined up with them. I've only been into online business for 6 months, and probably 4 of those months I had no email marketer, and then I come to find out that email marketing software. Then I came to find out that you should have one email software. Basically, email marketing software is all of, it can create you basically what's called opt-in pages. You've got a website and you want people to sign up for your to get emails from you. That's the email marketing software. Okay. So after a lot of looking around, I finally went with GetResponse because at the time I did this 15-month plan, $15 a month plan, and I thought, wow, that's really good. And of course, and it's going to be cheaper than this, guys, because from the February the 13th, they're going to be, there's going to be up to 40% off this, okay? Now, I'll leave a link below for this. Now, I am an affiliate for these guys, because that's another thing you can do. You can become an affiliate for GetResponse yourself, and, earn some money while you've got your GetResponse. Part of your business can be to be an affiliate marketer and promote these guys, GetResponse, because I'll show you in a minute that they're a fantastic company. I haven't had any problem with them. Admittedly, I've only been with them a couple of months, but the simplicity of their software is second to none. The price is definitely, I would say, second to none. They've been around for years. You can also try it for free for 30 days. I'll leave a link below for that. So you, at the moment, it's, what is it? It's February the 8th here in New Zealand. So probably it's February the 6th. At the time I'm putting this video up. So these prices are not the discounted prices, okay? So from February the 13th, these prices will be discounted up to 40%, guys. Come on. If you're thinking about starting a business, grab this, buy these from February 13th, 14th, Valentine's Day. And what you could even do is, if you've got a partner, wife, husband, whatever, you could buy them a subscription to GetResponse for the year. Now, you might say it's not particularly romantic. It depends what your website's about. Your website could be all about romance. Relationships, weddings, dating service, whatever. I think it would be definitely original, especially if your partner, husband, wife, whatever, is been thinking about starting an online business or something like that. This would be an ideal part of a gift. I probably wouldn't just give this. uh, I don't want to get into generalizations like, oh, well, I'd give this to maybe justice for a male, but wouldn't give this, justice to a female. We won't go there. But, so February 13th, guys, I'll leave a link below. And look, to prove that I'm with GetResponse, here's some of my landing pages, guys, and it's actually quite fun making these landing pages. And now, the other thing is, guys, they've got an awesome... If you've got a website and you can link up, obviously, GetResponse into your website, and then what happens is, for a while I was with Hello Bar, which is Neil Patel's sort of free opt-in page on your website, and that's awesome. Don't get me wrong, it's free, and you can. I think he only goes up to 5,000 views, and I'm pretty much on that with my blog site. So I needed to to grow basically. So that's another reason why I went with GetResponse. And when I connected my GetResponse, guys, I'll tell you what. Ever since I connected my GetResponse to my website, I've been getting a lot more, opt-in, signing up for my emails on my email list a lot more. And what happens is you will get an email every time someone signs up, and it's quite cool because you can see, it tells you, you can track it easily, because they would tell you where they came from. Like, I've got a blog site, so when I get an email saying someone has signed up for my email list, my opt-in page, it tells me what blog which blog they signed up on, where it's coming from, which website, so it gives you a lot of knowledge. So then you can make a list. So say someone signs up, you do a blog about losing weight, okay? Then, say, Joe Blogs lose weight program, lose weight in 3 seconds. It'll tell you that the person signed up on that blog. And so then what you can do is just easily create a list called Joe Blogs 3-second weight loss. You can create a list that calls that, because what you don't want to do is you want to sort of separate out where the people are coming from, so you don't really want to send a person who's interested in weight loss, you don't want to send them an email about how to build your own AK-47. You know what I mean? So you want to separate out, and GetResponses, it's easy to do. Simplicity, I think, is definitely what I would say with GetResponse. Okay. Okay. So I'll leave a link below for GetResponse. You see there, like, create, there's a list. Now I won't go into it, but all you do is once you've signed up, you come on, you do landing pages. It's pretty straightforward. I'll just show you. It's very straightforward, guys. I mean, there's, okay, hold on. Create landing page. It's pretty straightforward. You might have to muck around for 5 or 10 minutes to, go through a bit of a learning curve. Now, I always go for the build from scratch one. I've got one that's, I keep to always simplicity, so show templates there. And I go right down the bottom here, and this one here, select template. It's pretty good, quick, the title there, and then next. I don't know if it's going to let me go. Okay, so then it's making that page. Now, one thing I have to say, it might seem obvious to you guys, but say you've got a link or whatever, you say you've got okay, so then you want to put your picture of whatever you're selling, or or you want to put a video or whatever. You put it in there, then you can double click on these and get in there and change the background and change the lettering, and get in there and put replace, and that will whatever logo or picture or video you want to put in there. That so that you put it in there, and you click on there, double click on there, that goes in there, and then okay, so that's easy. But and then save, and then you go on to mobile to check out what the mobile ones. So there's what it'll look like on your mobile. It's pretty straightforward, guys. And then, but one of the main things you want to do is you want to, so that pops up on your landing page. Okay, now, so they've signed up, guys. Now there's a part 2 to this, okay, because you think, well, how's anyone going to get my link? Say you've got an affiliate link or whatever that you're sending them to a product. You see here, it might seem obvious, but I sort of skipped this and then had to go back. Okay, so you got your thank you page. Okay, once again you can play around with this and change the letters, etc., etc., and then you can okay, go on here now. Okay, yeah, so you can go like this. Okay, thanks. Here is your link. Okay, and then you go up here, see this little link sign, go on there. Now that's made the whole thing link. You can do that if you want. Then you put your wherever you're sending them to here, and just hit OK, save, and that's it. So yeah, just remember, you have to do that part, and then make sure you do the thank you page, and then save. Next step, okay? But I'm not creating a page at this stage. So there you go, guys. It's very simple, and same with hold on, let's see if we can go back here. Same with list building, very simple, and for the price coming up from February the 13th, you will get this unbelievable see right here, create landing pages, and up here lists. And once again, once you got lists, then you just create list. Okay, so you hit the create there. Where is it? Order form, create funnel form. Okay, list. Oh, there, create list. I've got a whole bunch of little lists here. Like, see, I've got 3 people on my weight loss, and most of them on my other one because I didn't sort of separate them out. See, all these, I've got 22 people on this list, and that's because those 22 came from Hello Bar. These other ones, and I've got about another 10 that I haven't joined on, added to this yet, which I do have to. Show 27. See, I've actually got 27. Now you might think, oh, 27, is that all? That's a small list you got there. Remember, guys, I've only been at this like how long have I had the list? I've had GetResponse for a while, but I didn't actually. I've had GetResponse for maybe 2 months. But I didn't actually add it to my website until 3 weeks ago, 2-3 weeks ago. So I've got, hold on. I've actually got way more than that. Well, not way more, but I've got 5. So, and I've got another 5 that I haven't added to these lists. So that's 10. So I've got 10 emails. I've 10 sign-ups in the last couple of weeks. Okay, so about 5 sign-ups a week, and they're speeding up because my blog is, I try to do a couple of articles, blogs a day, so it's getting bigger, and the more bigger your blog gets, the more Google will promote it. And it goes sort of exponential. It definitely does, because when I first started, wasn't getting anything, views or anything, and now I've got about just about 200 articles, posts on my blog site, and it's starting to pick up. Anyway, guys, there it is. So, February 13th through 14th, and I think I'll probably go over. They usually go over about a week after that. Don't quote me on that. For that 40% off, and that 40% off is 40% off these prices, and these prices are actually still extremely good. Okay. Now the thing to do with these, when you get these plans too, if you can afford it, get the 12-month or pay for 12 months, straight away, or you pay for 20 months. If you pay 20 months up front, you get a 30% off, and if you pay 12 months up front, you get 80% off these, right? So say you did 24 months right there. So if you paid, this is at the moment, this is without the 40% off, which starts on 13th of February, guys. At the moment, if you pick a 2-year plan, it'll cost you $10 a month, okay, which is $10 a month. What's that, guys? Come on, $2.50 a week or something, and that's going to go down on what is it? From February 13th. If you've been humming and hawing about softwares, hum and ha no longer, guys. Like they say, just do it. Buy one of these packages. Buy this email software from GetResponse for your partner, your wife, your husband, or whatever, and get up and running in 2020.